Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to change your Microsoft password. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do first is to log into our Microsoft account. So we're going to simply press sign in, going to log into our account. Now once we've logged in, we're going to head on over to the top right of our screen, which is here, and then we're going to click on our icon, and from there simply click my Microsoft account. Wait for it to load, and from here what we need to do is to click here on the top right again of the screen, change password security, and after that you can now change your password. The first thing that you need to do is to input your current password, and from there you can now input your new password, and what you need to do is to simply click save. And that's how you change your Microsoft password account. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.